Hi everyone, welcome to our June 2023 Manhattan Beach Real Estate Market Report. So let's jump right into the numbers. The market is still very competitive, with homes in Manhattan Beach selling on average for just 1% below list price and going under contract in around 33 days. Hot properties, however, can sell for about 2% above list price and go under contract in around 16 days. The median sale price of a home in Manhattan Beach last month was $3.4 million, which is up by 7.9% from last year. However, the sale price per square foot was down 17.5% to just under 1,200 square feet. The number of homes sold in May was 25, which is down 30.6% from last year. Homes are also staying on the market a little longer, with the median days on the market increasing to 38, up from 28 days last year. Now, let's talk about the types of homes sold and take a deeper look at some of the data. Okay, as promised, we're going to head inside to take a deeper dive into the data. This is one of my favorite parts because I'm very data driven and data centric, because that really helps tell the story of what's going on in the market. So I just have a few slides to get through real quick. So let's get started. This particular slide is looking at the overall health of the Manhattan Beach market. We haven't really dug deeper into Manhattan Village and the California Beach bungalows, which is really one of my main focuses. But just looking at overall health, on the left side, we have our real-time market profile. I'll leave this slide up here just a few moments. You can sort of peruse those numbers, but important numbers to look at. Average days on market, about a third of the way down. And that's telling us that we're in a positive trajectory there. Average days on market is decreasing. So that's what we want to see. More demand coming in, homes are selling faster. Price decreases, also trending slightly down. That tells us that the number of price reductions is not as frequent as it once was when the market was slowing a little bit. Inventory was trending up, but is really leveled off. So we don't have a huge injection of inventory or an increase in supply that would adversely affect prices and demand. And then we just summarize on the right side. What does that all mean? So that kind of speedometer or thermometer on the right side tells us that we're in a seller's market, not a super strong seller's market, but we are in the seller's market, as we are quite often in Manhattan Beach, being a very high demand area. So sellers still in charge, but not completely. It's a slight seller's advantage. Now, diving deeper into Manhattan Village and our classic California Beach bungalows, I took that data and I sliced it into different segments or market segments. And where that green arrow is our segment, right around $2 million, which is where most beach bungalows are priced around or below. And then much of Manhattan Village is priced sort of in that zone. So here we're looking again, the right side, days on market, 28 days on market. So that's a good number to be sitting at. And new and absorbed, that really tells us the story with supply and demand. So not a whole lot of supply, and we have strong demand that's absorbed. So that means that every home that comes available is getting sold, especially in Manhattan Village. Here we're going to look at our median list price, and we can see lots of big gyrations at the higher price points just because there are fewer of those transactions. We're just ignoring that. We're looking at the red line, follow the red line. That's us in Manhattan Village and our classic California Beach bungalows in the area. And what we're seeing here is stability. That's telling us, going all the way back to 2018, we've had fairly stable prices. They've been trending up just a little bit, but we don't see any big swings. We have a relatively stable, predictable market in this area. Even with everything that went on with coronavirus and the market speeding up, you can see around January 2022, it lifted a little bit, and then as interest rates went up, around August. It sort of slid down a little bit, but now it's recovered. It's nice and stable. And then we'll look at average days on market, which is really super important to know the health of our market and be able to project what is coming. So we're looking at the trend to see what could be coming. And we can see that going all the way back to 2018, we have those seasonal cycles, higher days on market in the winter, lower in the summer. That continued until January 2022. The market really took off, so we saw that number plummet. Homes were just flying right off the shelf as soon as they hit the market. And in rising interest rates into August 2022, the market began slowing, and we really returned back to kind of our seasonal norm. And then we can see that we are decreasing. So days on market is trending down. So forecasting, that's a good place to be. That means that the market is staying healthy and we are in the right course. So as new homes hit the market, they should be selling if they're priced right and they're presented well and they're marketed well, they should be selling relatively quickly. So let's head back outside and continue our discussion there. And if you have any questions about this data or any of these charts, my contact information is down below the presentation or the video, and you can comment or send me a message, and I'm happy to have a additional conversation. It is worth noting that 82% of Manhattan Beach home buyers are looking to stay within this area, while 18% are looking to move out. For those moving in, San Francisco, Chicago, and New York were the top metros where new buyers are coming from. So to sum it up, it's a great time to consider selling if you're a homeowner due to low inventory and good competition, but buyers should still be prepared for a somewhat competitive market. Now, stay tuned for more updates, and if you or someone you know is interested in the Manhattan Beach real estate market or thinking of buying or selling a home here, my contact information is below, and I'm happy to get to know you and your needs and see how we can help. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.